Hi guys, welcome back to the Fusion Beats Dance channel. I'm Francesca and I'm here to take you through one of the most popular songs I think that my class have absolutely loved, and that is Tarifan, which we've done in partners, but you can do this as a solo. I'm going to demonstrate it like if I was doing it as partner work. If you haven't seen this dance cover, check out the link below. It's got Nayuli and myself heading down to Port Adelaide where we did this video clip, and we absolutely love it. It's a pretty chilled out song. You don't have to do everything so very smack bang. It's very go with the flow. So I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to check out the other tutorials I've got on my playlist as well. So catch you later and let's get dancing. Pretty much just walking around, okay? It's a pretty chilled walk for 8 counts. So chilling, walking to a spot, okay? Then we start with a side wheel change, okay? So what we're doing is we're going behind, side, side, okay? But keeping it flowing, 1 and 2, okay? And our arms are going 1 and 2 together. 1 and 2. You're pushing it out as you move. So step, step, step. Then you're leaning to the right, right, left. And your arm is twisting around so that the back of the palm is facing the back, and then twisting the other one. All right? So let's do it. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. When you're doing the steps with the feet, watch my head. Left side, side, and so you're going 1 and 2 and 3. So bringing the right foot in, right foot goes out, left in, left out. So you're sliding 2 steps. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Step behind on the right, 5, 6, 7, 8. You hear that beat of the song that goes dun, dun. So you want to hit that, okay? So let's try it. 1 and 2, 3, 4, behind, out, hit, hit. You're then going forward and back. So your hands, left, right, feet, forward, back. So 1 and 2. Now this is the beat you'll see if you're watching the video clip. We swap with a partner or swap a position. And all that is turn, turn out if you're going to the left. Or if you're spinning to the right, you're actually going to be going 1 and 2, step, step, out. Okay? So decide what's easy for you. Maybe you want to go 1 and 2, I'm going to go forward. Alright, you can go in any direction that you want to. So we'll add that in. 1 and 2, slide, slide, behind, hit, hit. 1 and 2, turn, 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 and then 1, 2, out, out. So it's sort of a dip and out, okay? So step, 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 1, 2, out, out. So it's a body roll to the right, bring your arm in, out, out. From there, you're going to snake it to the right, snake it to the left, twist together, okay? So it's 1, 2, bring it in, all right? So let's do that again. So you've got step, step forward, turn in a direction, under, out, out. Right, left, bring it in, side, place your hands. 1 above the chest, 1 below, boom, boom. Hits the same thing, okay? So let's go through it from the very beginning. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, turn, 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 under, out, out. 1, 2, drag together, over, boom, boom. Then from there your hands go into this position and you're either going forward or back. Now if you're going back, it's step, step, left, right. If you're going forward, you're here, it's left arm, 1, 2, left, right. Okay, so you still end the same, it's just the direction. Okay, so from here, bring it around, hit, hit. 1, 2, left, right. Bring your hands together, around, over, hit. Okay, so this whole song needs to be smoothed out. So you can't just do each bit, stop, each bit, stop. You want it all to flow. So to have it flowing, ready? 1 and 2, 3, 4, over, hit. 1 and 2, turn, 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 under, out, out. 1, 2, drag it together, over, out, in. 1 and 2, left, right, over, and tuck it in. Okay, so you do a circle, and then drop it down. Then your right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fast, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring it around, down, up. Okay? So you've got right, left, circle, and drop. Then take that right foot forward still, over the head, push, over the head, push, turn, turn again. So you're changing. So if you change with your partner to the left, then you go back to the right. If you changed in a different direction, change it back to where you were, okay? When I work with choreography, I like to work as in we were a group of people dancing. So I like transitions, I like different levels, okay? So 1 minute we're standing, 1 minute we're down, all right? So for this one, you've got 1, 2, turn, turn. Then you've got the chorus. So chorus, 1, 2. So you're doing 2 circles with the body. Your chest is going anti-clockwise while your hands are following in an opposite direction. So you're going out, in, okay? So your whole body should be moving and you only have to do 2. So you're going right, left, then in a line with, say, a partner, or if you're doing it by yourself, just moving into a position of 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So if you're with a partner, you want to do back to back. If not, just travel 2, 3, 4. Now that beginning step, we put it in here. Duck under, out, duck under, out. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you're the opposite partner, 1, 2, 3, 4. So work with them, see what you want to do together as a partner, okay? So let's do it from the chorus. Out, out, 1, 2, 3, 4, drop it, Then if you are where I am, so if you want to do this side, you're going 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's quite fast. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So let's just work with one person doing it. Alright, ready? So you're here in a line, you go under, under, 1, 2, 3, 4, fist. You're going to go double. 1, 2, 1, 2, single, single, spin around. And in the last bit of the chorus, shuffle it across, circle to the side, and then it's however you want to end. If you want to end like this, or if you want to end like that. Alright, so what we'll do is go through the first part. This is the chorus. I'll do it a run through now, okay, for chorus. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Under, under, right, left, up, down. Double, double, single, single, turn around, swish it, 1, 2, and however you want to end. Okay, so maybe you'll go here and take a step, or go here. Okay, from here you might want to go out. So however you want to end. Now, I do suggest putting it with the music. If you want to run through the whole thing with me now, I'm going to play it one more time without the music so you can just follow me from the very beginning. So you're walking along for 8 counts. Then you've got 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, turn around, under, out, out. 1, 2, drag it, side, boom, boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, circle, drop. Then step, 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 circle, and hit. Over, over, turn, turn, chorus. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, under, under, right, left, up, down, hit, hit. 1, 2, turn around, swish, swish, 1, 2, over. Alright, so it's a little bit difficult for some of you guys. I'd put this as more of a intermediate or advanced level. If you haven't done this sort of smooth, funky style of dance, it can be a little bit difficult. Just remember to keep it flowing and keep pressing stop going through it with the tutorial and the dance cover. So I'll see you guys next time.